morning students. Today we will continue the same chapter in English second, and today's topic is subject and the predicate. All sentences are made up of two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is the doer of the action in a sentence. Doer means the person who does something, who does any action. It is called doer. The predicate is the description of the subject. It can also be the action carried out by the subject. So students, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Who perform any action, it's mean who does something, it is called the subject, and rest of the part is predicate. Look here, the fox jumped over the fence. In the sentence the fox, it is subject, and jumped over the fence, it is predicate. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument, and in the sentence the Taj Mahal, it is subject and is a beautiful monument. This part is predicate. To find the subject, first locate the verb of the sentence, then ask a question based on the verb. The answer to the question is the doer of the action, the subject. For example, it is written here, a lot of men and women attended the show. Here, what is verb here in the sentence? Attended. This is verb. So we will ask a question based on verb. Who attended the show? And what will be the answer? A lot of men and women. So this part is subject. Now we will do this exercise, and I will give you the click of this one exercise. You will do it in your English second notebook. Underline the subject and circle the predicate in the following sentences as shown in the example. First one, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So what is here subject? Water. Underline, and rest of the part is predicate. Then second one, our class teacher was absent yesterday. So what is subject here? This one part we will underline it, and was absent yesterday, this is predicate. Circle it. Next one, the birds flew away. So the birds, this is subject, and flew away, this is predicate. So students, I will give you this one work. You will do it in your English second notebook. Thank you.